Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Lexi Cinema.
Yes! Let's go, go, go for the gold! Yes, in this award-giving body. Come on! Yes. Thank you, maraming salamat po, PNPC. Magandang po sa inyong lahat. Thank you, Lord. In behalf of my home, sweetie home, family, yes, first time ko po nga manominate sa ABS-CBN Network. And it works, you know. Maraming salamat po. Yun nga sa Star Awards. And sa inyo pong lahat, ang masasabi ko lang, thank you to my Triple F. Family, friends, fans, Triple F. FF, hooray! Siyempre, di ba? Ayun, tapos yung siyempre asawa ko pala, yung asawa ko si Trevor, I wish you're here, and of course, sino pa ba? Ang anak ko, ayan, waiting na. So, I'll dedicate this to myself. I hope I like it.